Here's my homemade oscilloscope that I made from an old Panasonic TV that I found in the trash. I've seen all those videos on YouTube, and I have always wanted to make one, but every time I make one, it's always messed up. And by the way, the reason it just shut off is because there's like a timer thing on this TV that's stuck on it, but it's not broken though, it works. But that's why it shut off. It's really annoying, but it works. And yeah, basically what I did is I have my amp right here, and the positive and negative are hooked up to the vertical line right here, and these down here are the horizontal, but I decided to use the vertical up here. So yeah, let's see how well it works.
Test of the silicon sound system. Please disengage all equalization media. Let all lookers flow naturally. All test data will be in cycles, starting from 360 cycles down to 10 cycles. Test will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, 300 cycles, 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, 240, 230, 220, 210, 200 cycles, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100 cycles, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50.
Attention everyone, this is...
So yeah, how about we do 38 hertz, because that looks really cool on here. Let's see, 38, here we go. No, sorry, 58 hertz. Pretty cool. So yeah, that was my circuit bent TV. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe.